Hey guys! Today I will show you how to change your mouse icon and where to find different stylish icons. So, without further talking, let's start the video. Let's go! So first, we'll go to the Chrome browser, then type the website name. The site will appear. I'll give the website link in the description or in a pinned comment, so make sure to check it out. Once you're on the site, download the mouse themes from there. After downloading, go to your desktop settings and search for mouse settings. It will open up. After that, go to the additional settings. Once you're there, you'll see many options from there. Come here, then go to the option name, pointer. There, you'll see many icons. These are the mouse icons. Now from here, we will change those icons. After that, go to the Browse option. Then go to the folder where you saved your theme. Open that folder, select any icon you like. Then click on Open below and apply above.